Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Voicemeeter Driver completely. So first of all, what you have to do is close the Voicemeeter application. To close it completely, what you have to do is right click on your taskbar, click on Task Manager. In the processes, you have to search for the Voicemeeter. For instance, if you find Voicemeeter here, for instance, if I think this is the Voicemeeter, simply select that and click on End Task. And if you're not able to find the Voicemeeter on the Task Manager, then what you have to do is open the tray, find the icon of Voicemeeter application, right click the application, and then click on Quit. Now, once you have closed Voicemeeter completely, now it is time for us to uninstall the driver. Now, to uninstall the driver, hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Device Manager here. Simply select that and it will open this window. Select the View button and click on Show Hidden Device. Here you have to find the sound, video and game controllers. Expand the menu. Now, here you have to find some options like Voicemeeter or VB Media or VB Audio, something like that. So once you find that, for instance, let's suppose this is the driver we wanted to uninstall. Right click and simply select Uninstall Device. Select Uninstall and restart your PC, and you have now successfully uninstalled Voicemeeter Driver. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.